Obviously, we're doing like what? I thought I thought it was misfiring for a second there. Right. It's time for our first test drive in the VW Polo. Wow. It's a little bit of a startup for you guys there. Oh, sugar, I need to check something. The oil light's on. And I said to myself, I need to check the oil level. Right, let me check the oil level real quick. And then we'll commence for this first drive. First test drive. Let's get it. Obviously, we're doing like what? I thought it was misfiring for a second there. Oh my days, I thought we were misfiring for a second there. But yeah, anyways, like I was saying, yeah, we've probably hit like only 10 miles an hour right now. We're not actually on the main road yet. So we haven't actually hit any type of speed, to be honest. But oh my days, the bumps out here is so lethal, man. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. But now we're literally about to get on a faster road. I'm actually very excited for this. Very. Oh, traffic is moving. Oh my days. Guys, what do you think about this new angle, man? What's going on? Bro, I'm looking at it right now on the little screen, yeah. I'm actually getting gassed up, bruv. I am. I got the ND filter as well, so for the sun, because you know in the UK when you drive and the sun just hits through the flipping window, is ridiculous, man. But yeah, man, I've got the CPL on, obviously to help with the sun and that. This guy could move a little bit more forward, but I guess not, you greedy bastard. But yeah, man, the new setup, bruv. Obviously, this is the kind of angle that you would kind of get if it was just me in the, in the driver's seat, speaking. Obviously, it's a lot more wider as well. The framing is a lot more wider. Obviously, if I had someone in the passenger seat, then obviously the camera will be turned to see the passenger as well. But at the moment, it's not looking too shabby. We're literally just stopped. That second gear. Third gear. Fourth. That's fifth. Okay, 70 miles an hour. I mean, let's just overtake this truck real quick. I mean, it's definitely a difference driving this car than the S3, I'll tell you that for sure. Let's just come back into the lane. Let's chill for a little bit. Yeah, like I said, it's definitely very, very different driving this car than the S3. It's a lot more slower. I kind of had to wait for the rev to build up, and I kind of had to wait for that speedo to just come through. I mean, what can I say? It's only a 1.4, but I mean, to be fair, it is quite nippy. It is a little bit nippy, I can't lie. It's not crazy like slow or anything like that. Obviously, I'm kind of, when I put my foot down, I'm kind of looking for where, almost like I'm looking for when the boost is gonna kick in, and we'll just the miles per hour will just fly, sort of thing. But obviously we don't have any of that. But it's, for what it is, it kind of goes. It's not crazy bad, It's not too bad. I mean, I wish I was in the S3, but beggars can't be choosers. You just gotta work with what you have. And I have this, so I'm just working with it. Just trying my best. Trying my best. Foot down. Yeah. Foot down. Oh my days. Car's not even going anywhere, bro. Literally, look. Foot down. Come on. Nothing. I mean, it picks up speed, which is alright. It picks up speed alright. But actually, why am I trying to make this sound? Why am I trying to make this car sound better in my head, bruv, when it's really not? I should really not make the car sound better, because it's not. It's pretty much shit. But I mean, to be fair, it's not slow. It's a little bit nippy, but it's nothing crazy, if that makes sense. I mean, you'll be able to get to A to B quite quickly, especially if you're in the town. But that's pretty much it. If you're trying to get to A to B and it's like, I don't know, you have to go on the motorway or something, then you're gonna struggle a little bit. Once you hit that 70 mile an hour, and then when you go over it, it actually picks up. It doesn't pick up like fast, but if you like, say now I'm in 70, I put my foot down now. I mean, it's sluggish, but it still goes. That was probably what, maybe like, let me try again. Let me see how many seconds. So what? So 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So pretty much somewhere around 8 seconds to go from 70 to 80 mile an hour. So take what you will with that information. But to me personally, that's not too bad, like 70 to 80 and then 80 to 90, 100, depends obviously how many mile an hour you want to go on the motorway, but it's not crazy bad. You know what, it is what it is. Like, put it around town, she's nice and easy, she's nice and quick. I reckon it'll be quick to get around town, because it's 30 mile an hour, most towns, most cities, 30 mile an hour, so I'll be able to keep up with the rest of the cars and get places quick. But oh my gosh, forgotten how to drive manual, bruv. Flipping out. I should have put it into second there instead of first. That's why I got that mad jerk, like, whoa, crazy. I've been driving an automatic car for what? Yeah, My A3 saloon, no, my A3 Sportback, my S-Line 2015. That was manual. That was diesel. So so the S3 is the only automatic car for what, 4 years now, because obviously the S3 was automatic. So I was whipping that everywhere. Oh my god, the DSG farts. Oh my gosh. The clutch control there for me was not very good. I'll tell you that. It was not very good at all from me there. But we move. I mean, it's a learning curve, I haven't, like I said, I haven't driven a manual car in 4 years, so is what it is, man. Just got to relearn everything. But yeah, I've just arrived at KFC. I'm going to London actually. I've been there for like the past month, but what did it say? But I'm here at KFC. I haven't eaten anything all day. I've got to go to the gym as soon as I get to London. I've got to what's it called? I've got to wait till 11, pick up my girl, and then we go eat, and then we got to bust down to the gym. But yeah, man's back on it again, getting the gains, you get me? But yeah.
KFC, can I take the order, please?
Hello, hi, can I have the sugar? Do they not have it anymore? Do you guys still have the burger? No, sorry, not the burger, the wrap.
Which wrap?
The Zinger wrap.
The mini one?
No, the full one, bro. I'm not a kid, you get me?
Supercharger twister.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you want as a meal or on its own?
Can I have it as a meal, please, madam?
What drink?
What drinks do you have available?
Pepsi, 7-Up, Tango, Diet Pepsi, Lipton Iced Tea.
That's quite a tricky one for me. Can I get do you have the Sprite, madam?
7-Up?
Yes, 7-Up, please, madam.
Anything else?
Actually, no. I'll go for the Pepsi.
Pepsi Max?
Yes, please, madam.
Anything else?
That's it. Thank you.
Next window, thank you.
And can you just make sure the chips are extra crispy for me, please, madam?
Okay.
You already know. She's not gonna make it crispier. Oh my god, you hear that? Okay. Oh, that is so jokes, bro. Oh my gosh. That's cold, bro. It tastes amazing. My days. Food's ready already.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second, madam. Thank you so much, madam. Appreciate that. Right. I think we got the clutch control a little bit better then, not gonna lie. And then, yeah. Guys, I have a new, well, not a new YouTube channel, but I've had it for a long time. I used to post like fitness videos on there, but I stopped. But if you want me to continue, let me know in the comment section below. Tell me if there's something that you'd want to see, and then obviously if it is, then I'll start making content on there and posting, and then I'll drop a link in the bottom of this video or whatever to that channel, so you guys can go check it out. But yeah, man, that's me. I'm gonna enjoy my food, then I'm gonna bust it down to London, and then yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. That's a wrap, cousin, you know. Come on.